How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolute gorgeous 1965 Pontiac GTO. This is a true GTO. It's all PHS documented. Super nice car. The previous owners owned the car since 1970. He actually drove this car back from Arizona. He was out on vacation when he bought it. It's done in mist, blue, slate, rare, 1-year color with the dark blue interior. This car's all the original body panels and floors. A lot of the trim is the original. Super nice car. Really hard to find them this nice, you know, for old original condition. It's had one repaint, very nice, sanding wheeled smooth. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. All the tail panel moldings and taillight bezels are the originals and really in excellent condition. It's got factory tinted glass. The car's nice and straight, flat on the sides. Got a nice set of 15-inch Rev Classics on it. Just nice, tastefully done. All new tires. This is the numbers match motor in the car. It was originally a 4-barrel. We do have the intake. He said the tri-power was in the trunk when he bought the car and he put it on. It's been updated with power disc brakes up front. It's got power steering. Set of headers and duals. Out the back with the correct splitter tips. It's got the heavy duty cooling system in it. Got the factory original 4-speed posi rear. Jams all look real nice. The door panels are the originals, as well as all the dash is all original. Got the original AM working radio, factory tack. Got new headliner and new seat covers. Carpet's also been replaced. It's been updated with the front seat belts. I really like the color combination on this car. All inside the trunk is real nice. It's got the factory jack and spare. Very nice car. It's original shifter and everything. A little bit of wear on the tops of the doors. Front bumper and grills are all the originals. Thing fires right up. Tell you, for being the original bumper in the front and the grills and stuff, it's just really nice. Does show a little bit of age, but sun shining on them, it's a little hard to see. Got duals, got the correct splitter type exhaust in the back. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.